Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Duane in Florida on the Ranger RCI 99N4. Duane got it ready to go for you, bud. Our standard tuning alignment, and we did the voltage regulator upgrade. You purchase a stand off our website. That's going to allow the cool air to be pulled up through your fans right here, which works out great. Or if you have just a standard radio with a speaker in the bottom, it'll allow your speaker sound to come out and push it forward toward you. And also, Superstar mic coming your way. My favorite mic, as long as you don't need a noise canceling mic. All on my website. Well, let's start with RF power all the way down. 250 watt slug. 25 watts all the way down. That way if you decide to run like a 16 pill or something, you have full adjustability. 125 all the way up. Now I'm going to check average power swing. Hello. About 175 or so. Hello 1, 2, hello audio. Maybe 180. 500 watt slug in PEP. Hello 1, 2, audio. 500 on the money. Alright, Duane, it's ready to come to you, bud. I hope you enjoy it. Your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump, bump.